Hey guys, this is Abhipsha and Eid Mubarak. So, I have created this glam look using only 5 products, and this is a very beginner friendly makeup tutorial. Yes, only 5 products, and this is very lightweight. You can do it very easily. So, without any further ado, let us begin. So here I have tied my hair up. We're gonna start off with the Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade 02 Sand Sable. I'll blend it with my fingers. I'm using my ring finger to blend it. Since we're gonna use only 5 products and no brushes are included, so yeah, we'll do everything with our fingers. So yeah, take time, just blend in tap 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 motion. Then I'm dotting the concealer all over my face, and I'll just apply a little bit of concealer, not much, because we are gonna keep it very lightweight since we'll be staying at home. So yeah, then I'm gonna blend it with my fingers, these 4 fingers in tap 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 motion. I really am a lazy person, so that is why the blending with finger thing was so easy, because I didn't have to wash my brushes and beauty blender after doing my makeup. So yeah, next we're gonna take the concealer and apply on our neck area, because that is really important, and you can see how flawless it looks. Then I'm taking this eyebrow definer. It is dark brown in color, so I'll just first define my eyebrows with this. Then we are gonna apply a wing with the help of this. We'll just apply a soft wing. You don't have to blend it now, I'll tell you when. Then we are gonna contour our nose, because my nose is very bada sa. So yeah, I'm gonna contour my nose and make it look like a button. Not exactly a button, but we can make it slimmer. So yeah, I'm blending with my fingers. So then we are gonna just smudge out this wing. Then I'm taking this lipstick and I'll apply it as eyeshadow. This is a liquid lipstick, so it's liquid lipstick and also matte, so we're gonna blend it really quickly. And I'm gonna apply it only on my outer V and just soften out the edges using your tiny finger. Take your time and blend, since we are doing it with fingers and it's not easy. And I'm gonna apply also on the lower lash line and just smudge out. I'm doing this on the other eye too. You just have to dab it all over your not all over your eyelid, on the V part, and just smudge out softly. So I guess we are done. Then I'm gonna take this highlighter and just apply it on the inner portion of the eyelid. Since we don't have brush, we have to blend the two things together. So I'm doing it with a clean finger. I'm doing the same on the other eye too, and we'll apply on the inner corner also. This is not inner corner, but the inner part of the waterline. So yeah, then I'm gonna take this mascara and apply it on my upper and lower lashes. We are going to make it 2 to 3 coats, and it will look really voluminous and beautiful. So yeah, on the other eye too. I should have done it with my fingers, right? Since we are using no brushes, I shouldn't have used the wand. But anyway, it comes, mascara comes with the wand. So yeah, we can use this. So next I'm gonna take this same lipstick and just dab it with my 2 fingers on my cheeks, on the apple of my cheeks in upward motion. And also I'll apply on my nose, because I love to apply. Okay, so I'm gonna blend it nicely and apply on our nose. Okay, so next we are gonna take our highlighter, the same highlighter. Then we'll apply it on our cheekbones, nose area, that is tip of the nose and bridge of the nose, and we'll blend it really nicely on my chin too, and also on my brow bone, and also on my forehead. Like, we usually don't apply, but I like to apply. Then I'm gonna take this lipstick and just give it a rosy look. You can also do gradient lips as I did before, but my mind changed and I'm doing this. So yeah, we are done. I'm taking a little bit of highlighter and applying on my cupid's bow, and we are done. So let me just clean my fingers, and I'm changing my outfit and adding a cute little bindi. And hairstyle, yeah, done. So yeah, this is my final look. I hope you will love it and you'll try it. This is a simple yet glam look which I'm really loving. Do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. I'll keep posting these pretty makeup tutorials for you all. Till then, stay safe, stay home, take care, and bye bye.